Now, looking at crowdfunding, are there any downside implications? Why wouldn't you do it? Now, ultimately, from my perspective, crowdfunding is great. Is there any reason not to do it? Not really. Is there something that you should be aware of? Yes. Very likely, because you have a local business, you're not likely to raise all the money that you need from a crowdfunding website. Now, if you're an amazing marketer and you have all these people who are willing to give you money up front so you can raise $100,000, $200,000, that would be phenomenal. Most projects don't raise that kind of money because, especially when you're looking at the kind of people who have to be in proximity to your business to redeem whatever it is that you're promising them, then it's going to be people who are within a certain vicinity. That means that that pool of people is quite small. Now, even if you only raise $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, who knows what the number is, but even if it's not the total amount for your business, this is still not a bad thing. It's more money than you had, and all you have to do is make good on that promise. Now, sometimes, and I think what I've observed too, is that the trend for crowdfunding websites is still positive, but some people have complained that people haven't been able to redeem the things that they've invested in because Kickstarter or Indiegogo, I don't believe that these companies have any liability or requirements for the owners of the company to provide on their promise. So if people are going to be asking the question, hey, if I invest, you're trying to raise 50,000, you raise 25,000 instead, and you don't have enough money to actually start your business, but you start spending money along the way and you don't refund the money, there's no promise that the customers have that they are going to get what they invested in.